In this video, I'll show you how to add up all the arguments passed to a function. And this one's really easy. We'll just use the built-in prototype Array.prototype.reduce method as follows. So let's declare a new function. We'll name it addUpArguments. And we'll pass in a spread of args. And then I'm going to do args.reduce. And here I'll use another arrow function. It'll take first and second parameter, and it will do first plus second. And what that's going to do is as follows. So add up arguments, and let's pass in numbers 1 to 10. And of course, it's not going to show anything because I'm using the Quokka extension, but I can still see the output when I wrap my function invocation in a console log. So that's it, a very easy and simple way to add up all the arguments passed to a function.